Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to set up and use Gemini with Janitor AI. First, navigate to the Google AI Studio website to generate your personal Gemini API key. This key is essential for connecting the two platforms. Once generated, make sure to copy the entire key string accurately. This initial step ensures a smooth and secure integration process, allowing you to leverage Gemini's capabilities within Janitor AI effortlessly. Next, open your Janitor AI application. Look for the Settings menu, usually found in the top right or a sidebar. Within the settings, you'll find an option for API configuration or model selection. Paste the Gemini API key you just copied into the specified input box. After pasting, remember to save your changes. This action establishes the connection, making Gemini available for your AI interactions. Now that Gemini is connected, you can begin using it. When starting a new chat in Janitor AI, you should see an option to select Gemini as your AI model. Choose Gemini, then initiate your conversation. You'll notice the difference in response quality and depth. Feel free to experiment with various prompts and topics to fully explore the advanced conversational abilities that Gemini brings to your Janitor AI experience. To get the most out of your setup, always ensure both Gemini and Janitor AI are updated to their latest versions. This guarantees access to new features and performance improvements. Crafting clear and specific prompts will also yield much better results from Gemini. Remember, the more detail you provide, the more accurate and helpful its responses will be. Also, for staying refreshed during your AI sessions, check out the Oala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below. Happy chatting!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.